So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to update your any Sony camera firmware to latest version easily. Just follow this video. Let's do it. So at first you need to open your web browser and search for Sony support page according to your region, country, and here in search box type your camera model name. So in this video I'm going to update my Sony zve1 camera. I will type it and click on search. Now down here you will get firmware and software option. Click on it. In next page you will get a complete list of all software tool for your camera and even the all available firmware updates. Click on the first link. After click you will get all the detail how to update your firmware, which is I'm going to show you in this video, or you can read it. Here on the top have download button, click on it. It will take some time and a license agreement page will be open. Scroll down and click on download button. It will start downloading the firmware file and the file size is pretty big, like around 1 gigabyte, 966 MB. Next step, you need to visit your camera setting. This is Sony latest menu system. Select last option, yellow icon. Go all the way down. Select setup option. Now here fifth option is version. Click on it. Now here you can see your camera and lens current firmware versions. And also from here you can update latest firmware of your camera. Okay, next step, just turn off your camera, remove your memory card and connect it with your computer using any card readers. In next step, you just need to copy the latest firmware file from your computer, which is you downloaded from Sony support page, and paste it in your SD card like this. And yes, you don't need to format or clean your card, just simply paste the file in root. So pasting is complete. Now eject the card from your computer and remove the card from card reader and insert back in your camera. Now again turn on your camera and visit the menu option. Go back to the same option which is I showed before, or you will redirect on the same option directly. After restart the camera, click on version again, and now here software update option is available. Click on it. You will get a guide. Scroll down and then you will get the execute button. Click on it and your updating will be start. It will take some time to update the camera, so wait, and after that it will get completed. Body update complete. Click on OK, and now your camera is ready to work with latest firmware. Let's check it. Here you can see body version is now 1.02. Before it was 1.00. So that's it in this video about how to update your any Sony camera firmware to latest version. If this video helped you, give a like, subscribe this channel and keep watching. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.